Hello, I'm Steve. This is Bit of Munch, and this time I'm trying some sausages. And what's that, Rex? Oh, hang on a minute. Yes, Rex has joined me. As soon as he heard me say sausages, he wanted to join in. I told him they could be a bit spicy, but he still wants to try one. Okay, anyway, where were we? Iceland luxury. Smoky cheddar and jalapeno sausages. Oh yes. Now I'm a big fan of the Iceland luxury caramelised onion and pork sausages. They are superb. And they're frozen sausages, but yeah, they're really good. So I'm hoping these will be just as good. And this pack was £4 or 3 for £10. And it's got a 1 out of 5 chilli rating. So, hopefully not very spicy, mate. This is a 600 gram pack. And the description says, pork sausages blended with smoked cheddar cheese and jalapeno chili seasoning, filled into beef collagen casings. Origin of pork, EU and non-EU. Now it's got 4 ways, no actually I lied, it's got 3 different ways you can cook these. Air fry from frozen, oven from frozen, or pan fry from defrost. So it says if you fry them you have to defrost them first. I'm not going to do that. I figure if they're safe to air fry and oven from frozen, they're safe to pan fry from frozen. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to do 3 of them, I think. So I can try one on its own, and I'll stick a couple in a white roll, which I've taken out my freezer, stuck it in a food bag to defrost. Just stuck it in the bag so no flies get on it, you know. In fact, feeling how soft that is, that's nearly defrosted. It's a lovely warm day today, so I knew it wouldn't take long. Okay, and in the ingredients of these, we have got pork 77%, jalapeno chili seasoning 11%, and smoked cheddar cheese 8%. And other things, of course. Okay, let's get 3 of them fried from frozen, and we'll give them a go. See how tasty they are, see how spicy they are. I decided to just cook 2 of them in the end. So I'll try one on its own, and the other one I've cut in half and put it in a roll. I've got a little bit of butter on the bottom there, and a bit of ketchup on the top. I'll tell you what I saw recently, I keep meaning to mention this. I don't know what it was. I was watching some video about burgers. I can't remember what it was. And the person buttered their roll before they put the burger in it. And I thought, that's just wrong. You know, each to their own and all that. But it seemed wrong to me. Do you butter your roll before you put a burger in it? I mean, I've buttered this one. I've put sausages in it. So there's not much difference, is there? Yeah. Okay, as these are cooking, there is no mistaking that these have got jalapeno in them, because the smell, oh yeah, Rex, by the way, yeah, in case you noticed, he said they smelled funny, so he ran off. Yeah, the smell of jalapeno as these are cooking is very strong. You can smell the cheese as well. Can't smell any smokiness, but they smell good. Look at that. And there wasn't any cheese leakage. Because quite often with cheesy sausages, I found that the cheese leaks out. This hasn't. Does that mean there's hardly any in there? Because to be honest, yeah, I can't see any. Okay, here we go. And the first thing that strikes me in the flavour is the smokiness. And now the chili heat has reached me. 1 out of 5 it said, didn't it? It's definitely that. It might be a little bit more, to be honest. Okay. There's no snap to the skin whatsoever. A bit more than 1 out of 5 chili heat, I would say. Where's the cheese? I mean, they're good, but you've got the heat from the jalapeno, but you've got hardly any of the flavour from the jalapeno. There's a tiny bit of smokiness, and maybe a tiny bit of cheese flavour, but, maybe I was expecting too much from them, I don't know. Because, you know, ignoring what should be in them, they are a good sausage, but they don't really live up to how they're described. Right, let's have a bite of my roll anyway before I sum up. I'll tell you what would be good, if you put these in a roll like I have, and then added some cheese and some jalapenos. That's the point, I haven't got any jalapenos at the moment. I've usually got a jar in my fridge. I'll have to get another jar. But yeah, that'd be a good way to eat these, I think. So a little bit disappointing. But Iceland Luxury Smoky Cheddar and Jalapeno sausages, they're still good sausages, but Smoky Cheddar and Jalapeno, you can definitely smell the jalapeno. You can't taste it much. You can't taste the cheese much or the smokiness much. But having said all that, they're still a good, meaty, tasty, well-seasoned sausage. So, do I recommend them? I don't know. Oh, you've got the jalapeno heat as well, which is good. But yeah, can I recommend something that doesn't really live up to how it's described? I don't think I can, even though they're good. bit of a strange one, this, I know. Okay, let's have another bite of that. You know what? I think Rex might like these. So, I'll save that little bit for him to try. I'll go and eat my roll. Oh, and I'll put that back in the freezer, of course. That has been in the freezer while I've been cooking them, by the way. Right, thanks for watching that one. Oh, one more thing. They're not as good as the caramelised onion and pork sausages. Those are superb. Yeah. They've been around for quite a few years. I can't see these being around for years. Yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video tomorrow at the usual time of 2 PM.